Hello everybody, this is Roberto Park with Innovative Sports Training. I want to welcome you to another Health Detective Talk. Today's topic is holistic medicine versus allopathic medicine. Now some of you may never have heard the term allopathic. That means modern. Another term for it is Western medicine versus holistic, which is more Eastern medicine, which comes from the old Asian countries from China. But really it goes back even further than that to Hippocrates. Hippocrates was the father of all medicine, who once said that let food be thy medicine and the body should heal itself. Which leads me to the first part of holistic versus allopathic. Holistic medicine focuses on body, mind, and spirit. Now those three things combined together make up the person. Versus modern or allopathic medicine is more one-dimensional. For example, your medical doctor might just say, okay, you have a bad kidney, so let's give you some medication. We're just going to treat the body or treat the kidney. You might have Alzheimer's. The neurologist might say, okay, here's a drug to treat the Alzheimer's to reduce the symptoms of it. So you're piecemealing the body, mind, and spirit over here, being that it's one-dimensional. Whereas here, you're looking at the total body, mind, and spirit, because all three of these separately affect the other. Number two, self-healing. Holistic medicine is more self-healing, letting the body heal itself, like Hippocrates once said, versus modern-day medicine, which promotes more meds, medications, and surgical procedures. Number three, this treats the individual, which is Eastern medicine. Over here, modern medicine, you treat the lab result. And I want to expound on this a little bit. I look at lab results myself, and I'm more of a holistic person. But I look at lab results because lab results tell me what's going on in your body. It's part of the equation. It's not the entire equation. You take these lab results and you plug it in up here to determine what's going on with the body, mind, and spirit. But unfortunately, many medical practitioners, they look at the lab result and they prescribe medication. The medications don't work, then they go to surgery. Number four, holistic Eastern medicine addresses the core root of the disease, peeling away the layers, like I've said about my practice many times. You peel away the layers and to see what's going on underneath. Over here, with modern medicine, it addresses more of the symptoms of what's going on with the disease. In other words, they try to buffer or try to mask the symptoms. The next one, supplements. Now I put a question mark here because I'm not real big on taking large volumes of supplements. I believe there's certain supplements that we need to take probably year-round. Vitamin D is one of them, especially if you live in an area where there's not a lot of sunlight or you can't go outside too much in the sun because maybe you're afraid of the sun. You need to take more vitamin D. Vitamin C is another one because our bodies don't manufacture vitamin C. But my philosophy in supplements is this: you cannot supplement your way to good health. Supplements are an addendum to eating good, healthy foods. So, having said that, reduce the amount of supplements if you can with good, healthy foods. Over here, pharmaceuticals. Need I say more? Drugs. That's what this part recommends most times. Pharmaceuticals. Now, you'll come across a medical doctor on occasion, and I think it's getting a little bit better. They might say, take some supplements. For example, if a man goes to the doctor and he has some prostate issues, you might find a doctor that might recommend some saw palmetto, but most times they don't. Long-term healing on the Eastern side. Over here, short-term buffer of the symptoms. They just want to pretty much kill the symptoms, thinking the disease is going to go away. But guess what? It doesn't. You still have the symptoms. The last one, holistic Eastern medicine promotes being proactive. Allopathic modern medicine promotes more being reactive. Now let me say this about medical doctors. I've been kind of hard on them in the past. There is a place for medical doctors. If you have some major trauma in your life, you fall off your ladder, you have a major car wreck, you get impaled with a power tool or something, you need to go to the ER and get looked at immediately. If you go to the dentist and you get your wisdom tooth pulled out, extracted, you have some problems with infection, you need to get on some antibiotic medications because infections can kill you. But once you get beyond that critical traumatic stage, now you need to employ these components right here. You don't stay over here. That is why people become addicted to opioids, because they're wanting just to kill the symptoms. You want the body to heal itself, because when the body heals itself, the disease will become reversed or drastically reduced. Okay, you want to be proactive, not reactive. Let me just say one more thing about medical doctors. What I don't like sometimes what medical doctors do is point fingers at holistic practitioners saying that stuff over there is quack. Okay, they're like witch doctors or something. Medical doctors and holistic practitioners, we need to merge our minds and our energies together for the good of everyone, because there's good in both. I will say this, you should spend most of your time over here and minimal amount of time over here. If you come to me and you want my help, my consultation with you in terms of your nutrition, your hormones, your biomechanical evaluation, your biochemical evaluation, I'm going to have you do this more than this. If it's life-threatening, you better go see a doctor. If it's not life-threatening and it's manageable, I'm going to have you spend time over here. So, if you're very impatient and you want quick results, I'm not the person for you. Go see someone who can do this for you. But if you want long-term healing results and be proactive over here, I'm the person you want to come see. Guys, I hope this has been helpful to you. I want to make this as simple as I could. There's a lot of good medical doctors out there, I realize this, who can do some good trauma work. There's a lot of good holistic practitioners out there who do a lot of good work. I happen to be in the Kansas City area. I also do some consultation via the internet and some virtual training, some virtual consultation. So look me up, call me. We can have a 30-minute free phone consultation. We can have a 30-minute in-person free consultation, see if it's a good fit for you and for me. Let's do that. My number is 816-405-7703. My email is rwpsports@yahoo.com. I do all sorts of evaluations, hormonally, nutritionally, biomechanically, biochemically. So look me up. Take care, guys. God bless. Thanks for watching.